across my video. Thank you. So allow me to do a voiceover outside my house because the echo is much. So hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Priscilla. If it is the very first time to come across my channel, come across my video, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So it was an evening and I was heading to bed. I was like, let me first organize my clothes before I go to bed. Yeah, so that my morning can be easy. I had to fold my clothes for my baby and mine so that I can go to bed, as I was watching a certain YouTuber. And yeah, I love supporting my other fellow YouTubers on my laptop. And you guys, I may not comment because sometimes I'm being distracted by my baby and I forget to comment at the end of the day. But I'm so grateful that you guys are supporting me, and thank you so much for loving my videos. So I had to tie up my stuff because I was going to bed. I never wanted my hair to get messed up in my bed. Yeah, those are the curtains that I bought, but I'm lacking the curtain rods. But I hope that God will provide the curtain rods soon. Then, yeah. Well, it was a very beautiful day, and I really thank God that we managed to make it till that time. And yeah, so I had to organize my house before sleeping. I love waking up in a very beautiful home, not to get disturbed in the morning. Yeah, I love leaving all my things organized at night before sleeping. So I had closed my laptop, then I went to sleep after showing you guys all that I have done. And yeah, God is keeping us safe really much. It was a productive morning. I woke up so energetic. I was trying to wake up and I dodged him. I think he went back. So after finishing taking my breakfast, I was there playing with my baby, and yeah, as I watched, I finalized the vlog, and after that I had to go in my bathroom to wash my baby's clothes and my clothes as well. And after washing, I had to take them outside to hang them. So I'm going to be showing you where I hang my clothes. I spread them on the flowers. Yes, I spread them on the flowers. That's my house, and the other side is my neighbor. Yeah, it's a very good neighbor. And yeah, that's why I spread my clothes and my baby's clothes. But I really thank God who is providing for us in any way. And we were blessed with a hang line where to place my baby's clothes, and that was by Mama Teresa. And yeah, thank you so much, Mama Teresa. I really appreciate for the hang line, and you guys, you will see it installed at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm so happy. When I look at the hang line, I see blessings from Mama. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you. God bless that woman of God. Oh my God, she has really supported me. God bless you, Mama Teresa. So after spreading my our clothes, I had to come clean my house. After cleaning my house, it was really a productive day for me. I had to prepare some fries for lunch. Yeah, I had to prepare some fries for lunch, and yeah, they turned out so nice and they were so yummy. I love taking fries with chili and tomato sauce. Yeah, there I had to spread some tomato sauce on my fries. Yeah, they look so good and so yummy. I bought those chili sauce and the tomato sauce in the supermarket with my last groceries, and yeah. So it was evening time, and after taking rests, and we had to come in our living room. Then we started preparing supper. Yeah, that was my supper. So I didn't show you the peeling process because yeah, I was disrupted by this young boy. Yeah, and I was cooking yams. I don't know how they call them, but those are yams in my in my country. Yeah, I saw them in the Philippines. There is the way they prepare them, but for us we just prepare them. We boil them using the banana leaves. Yeah, that is the traditional way of cooking food in Africa, mostly in Uganda. I don't know in other African countries, but that's specifically in Uganda. And I was washing them. After washing them, I had to put them into the saucepan. You see how I prepared it. If you're Ugandan, you know. And don't judge me, you know, you guys, you know how to judge. But that's the way we do it in my culture. I'm Mtoro by tribe, and my pet name is Avoli. If you're watching me, thank you so much. If you're from my area, please, you can visit me at any time. I love receiving visitors, but trust me, you will sit down. If you visit me for now, because I don't have chairs or table in my house, but we just pray God to provide with us such things. Yeah, so don't judge my curtains. I place them upside down because I don't have the curtain rods, but I hope God will provide them soon. Yes. So yeah, after I started covering up my food, yeah, and it turned out so good, so yummy. What else did I want to mention? There is one Mama Christine told me that I should mention my my what my like few things that I need in my house. Yes, there are many things I need in my house. I need a fridge. I want cabins in my house but I don't have enough storage for now. I want cabins in my kitchen, chairs and dining table, and all those few things that people need in their houses. Yeah, but I just got to ask God to provide for me, and maybe one day we will look back and say, yeah, we did it. And I really thank God. He has been so good in my life. He has been so good in my life. Yeah. And more videos are coming. I have already installed my windows and doors in the other room, and I really thank God. So I had to get my taco stove set and ready to prepare my meal. Yeah, that was it. So if you don't know that, that is taco, and I saw it in that white bucket where I got undercoat when they were pointing, so I use it for storage. I store there my charcoal not to dirten my house. You can see my house is very clean, so I had to light up the charcoal stove. I placed it outside to get lightened up so well. So there I was trying to light up my charcoal stove so that I can place it outside to get good for cooking. You can see I was struggling. I just hope one day I get a gas so that I can start preparing my meals from there. But it was a very nice day, productive one. Well, after that, I had to place it outside. You will see when it is really, really, really so good. And guys, thank you so much. I can't I can't really stop thanking you for supporting me, supporting my channel, and loving me, asking me. And you guys, let me tell you something. I take long to reply your comments, but I'm really sorry. Since I don't have a Wi-Fi in my house, I'm struggling. I have to put on data, I have to support my other content creators, but hopefully one day God will provide us with Wi-Fi. So those are the avocados that I got from my mom's place. They were looking so nice. Yeah, they were looking so good. So there I had placed it inside, and I make sure I place it near the window so that the air can enter into my house, not to suffocate. Okay, and since I can't not cook from outside and I don't have an outside kitchen, so I cook inside my house sometimes. Yeah, so since I'm near the road, I cannot place my food near the road, but God willing, we are praying so hard God to provide me with chain link so that I can close my area and be safe, you guys, and I be safe. My area is very so open. I'm near the road, so pray for me. I get a chain link, I install it, and yeah, then we are good to go. So my food was ready. So when it was ready, I had to show you guys. The food. Oh, if you love such a kind of food, please visit me. But I already took the food. So after, I think I realized that I had peeled a lot of sweet potatoes, and I did not finish them. Maybe I kept them for supper or dinner. Yeah, something like that. So those were the remaining potatoes. So I opened my yams. They were looking so good. They turned up so good. You see the aroma. Oh my God. I really loved them. And I kept some for my breakfast. I took them with tea. Body is what? Body is tea. I really love that thing where they say body is tea. But I really thank God that He's providing for me in any way. And I got these yams from my mom's place because I visited her last week. Yes, I had gone there to get my national ID, the new ones. Hope you guys got one, your national IDs. If at all you haven't got them, please visit your nearest sub-counties to get your national IDs. If at all you got that message that you have received your national IDs at your sub-county. So make sure you go there and take them out, because where we are heading, it's not an easy thing. I had a national ID before, but we had to renew them. And they sent us the messages that the national IDs are out. You can go pick them. So we are lucky enough that they brought them near my home. And yeah, guys, I had to get there, grab it. And I'm soon opening my PO box. Yes. I'm soon opening my PO box, so you guys, if anyone want to gift me anything, I'll be including it there in case I open it. And I wanted to open it using my new national ID. Okay, so that is it, guys. The food was so yummy. So guys, after that I had to go check on my hang lines. Yeah, I found the man doing the job, and after that they were brought home, and yeah, the next day we had to install them. Yes, yes, yes. All of you say thank you, Mama Teresa, in the comment section for providing us this hang line. Yeah, we didn't believe it that we can get one, as I shown you how we used to spread our clothes, but God provided the money and we are good to go. Yeah, so the man was installing them. We had to put on concrete. We had to mix stones, concrete, yeah, with the cement and sand. Yes, yes. So guys, the way you see, it was remaining with sand. Yeah, I was remaining with sand. So it is there, but I think it will get a job soon. Don't worry. So that was it. How we installed in the what? These people are distracting me. Oh, my neighbors can shout. It's morning, but yeah. So you can see the hang lines are coming along. Yeah. So I really thank God for that. So I sprayed, but I didn't show you that. And yeah, the grass will be down soon, I think in just 1 week. Yeah, so since you guys, I can't dig, I have not got the strength of digging since I'm a new mother. Yeah, I'm healing, so I can't go to dig the way I used to do. But yeah, it was amazing. I sprayed. I got one man told me spray the grass, and yeah, you can see the wilting. Is it wilting? How do they call it? I don't know. So I planted there. What you're seeing is a snake plant, and I planted in that big tin. There is there is avocado, and there is passion fruit. Yeah, so it started raining immediately after installing the poles. Yeah, but we are good to go. So I had to go back into my house, and thank you guys for watching. Till we meet again. Bye.